In this video, we are going to discuss about a very important topic of geography, the dynamic forces shaping up the planet. This video will help candidates preparing for competitive examinations like UPSC, PSC, SSC etc., and also help students learning social studies at middle school level. This equally an apt material for students preparing for quiz competitions like Indian Navy Quiz, CBSE Heritage Quiz. Let's begin. The dynamic forces shaping up the planet. Planets are shaped by dynamic forces like plate tectonics, volcanism, and impact cratering from within, while external forces like weathering, erosion, and gravity sculpt their surfaces. Internal processes build up the landscape, creating mountains and new crust, while external processes, driven by water, wind, and ice, wear down and transport materials, continuously reshaping the planetary surface over vast timescales. Tectonic plate. Tectonic plates are large slabs of rock that are made up of both the Earth's crust and the uppermost part of the mantle. These are constantly in motion, sliding past each other, colliding or moving apart at the boundaries. There are 7 major tectonic plates on Earth. They are Pacific Plate, North American Plate, Eurasian Plate, African Plate, Antarctic Plate, Indo-Australian Plate, South American Plate. The surface of the Earth has been changing over millions of years ago, causing the formation of mountains, oceans, basins, and continents. This is due to the movement of tectonic plates. This process also explains many geographical events like earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and the creation of new landforms. Endogenic exogenic forces. Endogenic forces originate from within the Earth, driven by its internal heat, and include processes like volcanic eruptions and earthquakes, which build and uplift landforms. Exogenic forces act on the Earth's surface, powered by the sun and gravity, and involve processes like weathering, erosion, and deposition, which wear down and transport materials to create new landforms. The constant interaction between these opposing forces shapes the dynamic and ever-changing surface of the Earth. Endogenic forces work through tectonic movements. These involve the movement of Earth's lithospheric plates. When plates collide, they can push up to form mountain ranges, or create deep ocean trenches. When plates pull apart, they form rift valleys, or mid-ocean ridges. During these movements, the surface of the Earth vibrates. The vibrations can travel all around the Earth. These movements are also responsible for earthquakes. Volcanic eruptions. Magma from Earth's mantle reaches the surface through volcanic activity. When this magma erupts, it forms volcanic mountains, islands, and even new landmass. Folding faulting. Tectonic forces exert pressure on rocks, causing them to bend, fold, or break, fault. Folding occurs when layers of rock are compressed and bend, leading to the formation of mountain ranges. Faulting happens when rocks crack and shift, creating valleys and other structural features. Exogenous forces walk through weathering. This is the process of breaking down rocks into smaller particles through physical, chemical, and biological means. Physical weathering happens due to temperature changes, water, and ice. Chemical weathering involves the reaction of minerals in rocks with water, air, or acids, leading to their breakdown. Biological weathering occurs when plants, animals, or microbes break down rocks. Erosion. It is the removal and transportation of weathered materials by agents such as rivers, wind, glaciers, and ocean currents. As these materials are accreted away, they shape the landscape by carving valleys, forming cliffs, and creating other features. Deposition. It occurs when eroded materials are dropped off in new locations. This process leads to the formation of landforms like river deltas, sand dunes, alluvial plains, and glacial moraines. Deposition is how exogenic forces build up new features even as they wear down old ones. Next, let us focus on evolution of landforms. Endogenic and exogenic forces work together to shape and evolve the Earth's surface over time. Formation of valleys. Endogenic forces create mountains through tectonic activity, but over time, exogenic forces like weathering and erosion wear down these mountains, leading to the formation of valleys and plains. Endogenic forces, like those deep inside the Earth, cause tectonic plates to move. When these plates push each other, they collide and push up parts of the Earth's crust to form mountains. Weathering breaks down the rocks into smaller pieces, while erosion carries those pieces away, often by wind, water, or ice. This process creates valleys and flat plains where the land has been leveled out. Next, rift valleys and basins. Rift valleys and basins are created by movements of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface. When tectonic forces pull the Earth's crust apart, it can create a long, narrow valley known as Rift Valley. When the crust sinks down, it forms a large, low-lying area called basins. We will continue the remaining topics in the next video. Keep watching, keep learning.